Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to draw and color apple, and also I'll tell you a short story about an apple. So let's get started. Very long time ago, there was an orphan girl named Alice. She was so poor and miserable. Nobody took care of her life. One day, while she was walking alone in the village, she saw a red apple lying on the street. The apple was dirty, but it looked delicious to her because she was starving. Alice just wanted to take the apple when suddenly she saw black ant near the apple. The ant said, "This is my apple. I found it first." Alice said, "Sorry, I didn't see you, but can you share the apple with me? I'm very hungry. Besides, the apple is too big for you." "No way, this apple not only for me but for all my family," the ant said. While Alice and the ant were talking, they heard the apple's voice. Plant me," said the apple loudly. Both Alice and ant were surprised, but they agreed to do what the apple just said. Shortly, Alice and the ant planted the apple. They were wondering what will happen next. The next day, Alice and the ant were surprised. The apple had grown and became a little apple tree. The apple tree grew very fast, bigger and bigger. A week later, the apple tree already had many fruits. The apples were too many for both of them, so they sold most of the apples. Every day they bought apples to the market. It was not difficult to sell the apples. The apples were very good, big, sweet, and delicious. All people wanted to buy Alice apples. The apple tree was never stopped giving fruits. So a few years later, Alice and the ant became rich. They had a lot of money from selling the apples. They were very happy and enjoyed their life together.